Why? Okay, that's not what I was looking for, though. You can't replicate shop items. I couldn't press the echo button. God damn it. Ooh. Thank you. Arigato.